Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I am not sure if we are looking on people of this culture with envy or with pity, but however we are looking on them, guys, I bring you this. Emir Sanusi receives fourth wife 4 years after wedding. So that's the headline. Emir Sanusi receives fourth wife 4 years after wedding. So that's the headline now to the body of the story. Emir of Kano Muhammadu Sanusi II on Saturday, August the 3rd, received his fourth wife, HAR8 Saudatu Bakindo Mustafa. Emir Sanusi II had married the daughter of Lamido of Adamawa Muhammad Bakindo Mustafa in a low-key ceremony which was held in Yola on September 25, 2015. HRH Saudatu Bakindo Mustafa was only an 18-year-old secondary school leaver when her royal wedding was held. Now a graduate of a university in the United Kingdom, Saudatu was received at the Kano First Class Monarch's Palace after being away for 4 years. Her Quranic graduation ceremony was held yesterday, and it was learned that her traditional Budakai ceremony is currently ongoing. The Emir of Kano's other wives include Sadiya, daughter of the late Emir of Kano, Dr. Ado Abdullahi Bayero, Mariam, and Rakiya. Here are more photos below. So it's more of a photo celebration than a written narrative, but effectively now this is now the goings on now in Kano State with this now former CBN chief turned Emir of Kano now just marrying up all the pretty girls within his own locality. So now I say I'm not sure if we are looking on him with envy or with pity, because one wife is probably enough contention for the average man, but this guy feels he has enough of sagacity to take on 4 women. So now this is now his latest acquisition. So this is now what he's now gotten himself, this pretty little girl, but he's of course over twice if not 3 times her age, but then that of course is not anything of any consequence within their own culture. So now this is now how it's playing out in Kano State. The guy sounds urbane, he sounds erudite, he speaks reasonable decent English. In fact, he has a good command of language, really, if we're being honest. So you then think that he's a bit more emancipated than most, but really at the core of all of them, these people are pretty much of that cultural disposition. Let me just put it that way, because I'm trying to be mindful with my words here. So his cultural inclination has led him now to this now girl who is barely 20, and he's of course 60, or if he was a day, so that's 3 times her age. So but then it doesn't really matter, and then that's just how they do things in their own yard, and everybody to their own yard, to your Tento Israel and all that. So Malam Sanusi, or Emir Sanusi now, as is now known, because he's now a titled man now, haven't bought his way into that emirate, because of course the person that was meant to take that throne was of course the son of Adebayero, but then they did this majo. Remember, they declared an Adebayero the emir first, and then they went into hibernation, and by the time they emerged, that Adebayero suddenly turned into Lamido Sanusi. But whatever it is, that's their culture, and that's their own way rather of doing things. We do things differently in Oyo Alafin, where I come from, and I'm more of that mindset, and of course their own mindset if there is that of their own wants. But what I was really wanting to flash up is this young lady now, pretty as she is now. Of course, I mean, Sanusi is she could have done a lot worse in life actually than Sanusi, because at least he's educated, is not is not on the wrong side of ugly. He certainly, I mean, all the money that he looted from the central bank and took to Malaysia, we all know that storyline. That guy just looted everything he could when he was at Central Bank. So money is not an object. So really, she's married well, and of course he's now had the pleasure of a young flesh pressing against him in the colds of the night. So I mean, which man wouldn't really want that? So really, that's the narrative, and that's the goings on with the Malamis up north. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Malam, now Emir Sanusi, captures himself some 20-year-old wife, a young bride, you know. So now, before you come join me in the comment section to have a chat about this, Malam Sanusi, Emir Sanusi, and his young bride, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of what Agua up north in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.